Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start selling in Pakistan. Now, if you're a dropshipper and want to focus on the market of Pakistan, you can easily do that by following this video step by step, understanding exactly what implementation that you require to ensure that you can start a successful dropshipping business in Pakistan. Now, Shopify.com is the platform that you need to use, and you can build your business with the Shopify to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and discover why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. From the world to the IPO, millions of merchants worldwide are available, and they're presented in 170 countries with a total 10% of the US e-commerce business that's being done, and $444 billion of global economic activity. And the best thing is the fact that this is for creators, developers, partners, and enterprises. You can build your store your way and bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required at all, just your next big idea. You can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers, and you can even level up with the apps and add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that have been built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell to every buyer everywhere. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools, the social integrations, and the sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. And the best thing is the fact that this is the best converting checkout on the planet. Back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that's built to convert. Even more than that, guys, you have a flexible point of sale to power your retail store, a POS system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line, from the first touch to the full funnel. Reach new leads and find new shoppers with the SEO, social media, and content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are, and engage with customers and build custom email campaigns and set automations to serve every segment, and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools, the data that you can build on. Take control of your customer data to build custom audiences and explore the customer's insights that drive ongoing growth, and streamline your back office, guys, and oversee your operations from managing inventories and tracking payments and viewing real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business and fulfill every order and get your product where it needs to be with the integrated inventory management that is streamlined returns and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network. And you can even manage your business finance all from one place with money management and a flexible funding designed with entrepreneurs in mind. So manage your money where you make it. If you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get it for 90 days, or just click on start the free trial. After you click on it, you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, you'll be asked a couple of questions before your dashboard and your store is created. And the first one is, which of these best describes you? Are you just starting off or already selling online or as a person? You'll say that I'm just starting off. Then where would you like to sell? You can pick as many as you like, and you can always change them later. Plus, make sure you're always set to sell in these places. We're going to go with an online store, an existing website, social media, online marketplaces, or in person. We want to sell online and also on the online marketplaces. Once you have selected your required ones, just click on next and go to the next page. Now, the next question is, which online marketplace do you want to sell on? We're going to go with Google, Amazon, and also eBay. After selecting it, just press next. Now, do you have an online audience or not? If you're engaging with an audience on the online platform like YouTube and Instagram, you can say yes or no. We're going to go with yes. And after clicking on next, we need to select the store name. Now, I always mention in my videos, guys, to make sure that you actually look at the competition and understand what the competition are doing before you select a store name for yourself. And that is very crucial, because whatever you're selling, it needs to show quality. And the first first thing that people will notice is going to be your store name. So always make sure that you select the store name that has value. After selecting the store name, click on next. Now this is where the most important thing comes in. You have to make sure your shop is located in the right region, because we're making this video for Pakistan, so we're going to select Pakistan and click on next. And the last element that you need to fill out is your Shopify ID. You can either create it with your email, with your Apple ID, with your Facebook ID, or with your Gmail ID. I always use my Gmail ID because using your Gmail is very simple and straightforward. This is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, you have your draft and your abandoned checkouts, your products with your inventories, your transfer, your collections, and your gift cards, your customers, where you can easily import customers from different platforms. If you're already selling on different platforms, you can get all those customers to your Shopify store. Then you have your content. You can have your meta objects and your files. And the most interesting one that I love is the analytics, because you have your reports and your live view where you can check out exactly what is happening in your store, from the conversion rates to the average order value, from the top landing pages to the sessions by traffic source. Everything is available. Then you have your marketing, from your campaigns and your automations. You also have discounts that you can give to your customers. And what is interesting is the online store, because you have your themes, your blog posts, your pages, your navigation, and your preferences. Now as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different popular themes that are available. You can easily use the free themes that are available. And guys, remember, always keep your fixed costs as low as possible. And only once your dropshipping store takes off, you can click on View Theme Store and select the paid themes that are available. As you scroll down, you can even check out Google. But before you do anything, click on Setting, guys, because you gotta make sure every element is correct for your store before you start selling in Pakistan. Our address is correct, and as I scroll down, you'll see that the currency for the store is in Pakistani rupees and the time zone is correct as well. So this is fixed. Now we're gonna check out the taxes and the duties, which are very important, guys, because for any country, you gotta make sure that you include tax in the prices, and you charge tax on shipping rates, and you charge the VAT on the digital goods. Once you have selected it, just save, because you want to make sure all the elements are taken care of. Now you have to go to shipping and delivery to make sure that your actual location is correct. Our local delivery is in Pakistan and our local pickup is in Pakistan as well. So that is correct. Now we're going to go and check out the most important part, which is the market. Our primary market needs to be in Pakistan. Now if you want to change anything, just click on manage and you can change any elements over here. But we know for a fact that all our information is correct. So the information on our international primary market should be correct as well, from domain names and languages to product and pricing to duties and import taxes and shipping. Now once everything is sorted out, you can easily close and start selling on Shopify. If you got any questions whatsoever, guys, you can always ask us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.